Guys, I have never been so excited to start a vlog out. So we are back with another Kayla Talk video today. This time it's gonna be geared towards what your girl likes to wear during Netflix and chill. This is a part of the Kayla Talk series, and I'm so excited to show you guys what your girl likes to wear to Netflix and chill. I have the whole like apartment set up. It's such a vibe. It is such a mood. I even have my grown woman juice right here. I've got some candles lit in the background. I have my little fairy lights going on. And I have a beautiful package from Lounge, you guys. I'm so excited. I have some stuff from them already. I found them through Instagram because all my favorite influencers freaking post in Lounge. And I'm like, I need it. So huge thanks to them for collaborating with me and sponsoring this video today. I'm so excited to show you guys a little try on of some fun lingerie and just like cozy clothes that give me so much confidence and make me feel beautiful. And not to mention it's all so cozy. Sipping on gin and juice. Let's bust open this beautiful package from Lounge. I'm so excited to announce that they're doing a Black Friday sale. So many awesome discounts are going on. The sale officially begins on the 24th of November at 9 p.m. UK time, and it will continue until the 2nd of December. So check out the link down below in the description box so you guys have all the details for this amazing sale, and you can pick up some sexy lingerie. They have so much more than that on the website too. They have swimwear. They even have apparel like sweatshirts and hoodies and stuff like that too, t-shirts. So definitely give it a nice browse. So in here, we've got some things. I'm so excited. Listen, wear what you want to wear to Netflix and chillin' as long as you are comfortable. If you feel good in the skin that you're in, that is the only thing that matters. You know, wear what puts you in the mood, that gets you feeling right and sexy. That's my thing always. So let's start with this bag. So cute. So I do want to mention during the Black Friday sale, they are turning off all coupon codes, and they're also turning off the option of gift wrapping. So that's just a little FYI for you guys. So, and here's all of my, oh yes, beautiful lingerie items. And of course, they are all matching sets. All right, let's get into this little try on haul. And I'm gonna show you what I can show you without showing my goodies, So the first thing I got is the balcony bra in the khaki color. Oh my god, I saw this on one of my favorite influencers, Angela from the Bad Girls Club. She is so cute and she looked so bomb in this, and I like the color. I don't have any lingerie in this beautiful olive. I think it really goes so well against my complexion. It makes me look very glowy and bronzed. So I'm gonna do a try on for you dolls. Granted, it's pretty see-through. You're gonna see my nips here and there. We're gonna try to figure that out. But it has a clasp in the back, so easy to get on, easy to get off. You don't have to like do this whole thing, which is irritating. But I do like it too because you're gonna get some support. There's a little bit of underwire here and a band at the bottom that says Lounge. So this is super adorable. It has a matching little bottom. And I don't know about you guys, but I feel instantly sexy when my bra and my undies match, right? Am I the only one? Comment down below. So I chose to get the thong bottom, again in this beautiful khaki color. These are high-waisted, which are so flattering. You could just wear these with like an oversized t-shirt and it's such a look. It's comfortable. You can watch all the Netflix you want, and it's just so freaking cute, you guys. So I absolutely adore this cute set, and I got the bottoms in a small, and I got the balcony bra in my normal bra size. So that's just for size reference. The next little set that I got is the triangle bra in the pink color, and I always feel so girly and just my sexiest when I'm wearing pink. Pink is like my favorite color. So of course I had to pick up a cute pink set from Lounge. God, so cute. They're little thong briefs. Oh, I don't know what it is, but this band, I love this band, and I like to wear it kind of hiked up on the sides. Of course, it's a thong bottom. This is just so casual, it's comfortable, it's sexy, and it's great for all occasions. I love this. And then I got the matching triangle bra in pink. This packaging. Oh, so cute. Now this is the ultimate Netflix and chill bra because there's no underwire to it. So you do have a nice, I would say 1-inch band at the bottom, which is gonna give you a little bit of lift and support. And this one, I like the triangle cut too. It's very deep in the front. Adjustable straps, so you get the perfect fit, and you can kind of control the amount of cleavage with the adjustments as well. And then it's just a solid band. There's no clasp here on the back to get in it. But this is, again, so cute. I'm thinking this will be even better if you just paired it with like some oversized sweatpants and just wear this, and it's just like, okay. The next little set that I got is the Ultra Comfort t-shirt thong. And I get smalls in all of my undies across the board. And they have a very great sizing chart available on the website, so definitely use that. Oh, I love a good, just basic whitey tidy thong. These are so cute. Very fresh. And again, like just so cozy. Oh my God, this with like a hoodie, me. Okay, so that's adorable. And then I actually got like a bra. So this is the white Ultra Comfort ribbed t-shirt bra. I'll leave these items linked down below in case you guys are looking for the same things. It'll be easier for you guys to find them. Oh my God, wait, I love this. There's no padding in it. Oh my God. Okay, so very comfortable. There is underwire, so if you're looking for support and lift, me, because I don't have big boobs like that, I need to just... I do like the fact that there's no padding in it, so you're not gonna feel like you have to keep adjusting and stuff throughout the night. It has a double clasp here in the back to get into it. Of course, adjustable straps. And I, again, think this would be so cute paired with some oversized high-waisted, because that's super flattering, sweatpants, and maybe just like a t-shirt over the top, and you match. Like, that's the best part is, okay, they're gonna know, like, she matches her undies to her bra. Like, she means business. Standards, people, standards. The last two items I ordered were swimwear. They have recently launched swimwear over summertime, so I've been meaning to pick up some new items. I have a pool and a hot tub here, so I know it's like fall, winter, cold outside for most folks, but I live in LA, so it's super toasty during the day. And again, hot tub session. So if you want to do Netflix and chill after the hot tub, by all means, you got your swimwear covered. Antigua, am I saying that right? Triangle swim bra in a medium, and it's the pink one. Ooh, wait, I like this little pouch. I feel like I'm gonna keep this and recycle it for something else because we love the environment. Oh my God, wait, I love this. Okay, medium-sized top. Again, I got this beautiful like mauve tone pink shade, one of my favorites. There's no clasp in the back. I kind of like that it's just all one band. You don't have to worry about it coming undone. Adjustable straps, triangle fits. Ooh, I'm excited to see how this makes the boobies look. We'll see in the try on. And then the matching bottoms, of course. I love these. These are the briefs in a medium. So a little bit more coverage. Okay. I love this. Look at that tag. Okay, so cute. Oh, and it has the branding on the back in like a 3-dimensional. Oh, I love the quality. Okay. I had these like swimwear from them before, and I sized down, so I upped it this time because I think the fit is going to be a little bit better for me and how I like to wear my stuff. And then the last swim item I got is the Malibu mesh swim briefs, again in a size medium. Oh yeah, I love this pink. Look at this. Oh, so cute. And this one has fun mesh detail. You can see that again with the lounge branding in 3D on the back. Again, high-waisted, we love that. That's super flattering. I think it's important to know your body shape and what flatters you the best, what makes you feel the most comfortable. At the end of the day, that is all that matters, especially when it comes down to intimates and swimwear, when you're just gonna be fully exposed. You know, it's natural for us to be a little bit self-conscious of the way that we look and stuff. As long as you feel good, that's the only thing that matters. So I just wanted to say that for a second, but I'm excited to try this on. And then the matching top is the mesh swim bra in a medium. So we'll see what that's looking like. Oh, she's tiny. Oh wait, I love this. Matching mesh, very strappy on the top. And again, it's all one band, so you don't have to worry about hooking it, unhooking it, adjustable straps. This is so freaking cute. Okay, we're definitely gonna try this on for you guys so you can see what that looks like. I'm so excited. I love some matching sets, you guys. So definitely check out the links in the description box below so you guys can snatch up anything that you like in this haul and take advantage of the Black Friday sale that's going on. Again, it starts on the 24th and it ends on the 2nd of December, so you definitely have some time to shop around. Don't forget to throw up a big thumbs up if you dolls enjoy content like this. Of course, if you guys are new and you're watching, hit the subscribe button down below. You can also click the bell next to it to get a notification so you guys never miss an upload. And until next time, I will catch you dolls in my next vlog. Bye!